What is going on, YouTube? Doing a little trail riding on the KTM 150 today. We're out here with a couple buddies, Jacob and Griffin. Jacob is on a Stark. Griffin looks like he's on a KTM 250 SXF, I think. Holy shit! Oh, a little step down. Woo! That bridge is cool. Oh, little bridge. That's like a jump. Damn! Oh, slippery. It's so weird riding behind someone on an electric bike. You can't hear like their throttle and how fast they're getting on it. Woo! And I'm pretty sure both these dudes know where they're going through these trails. I'm trying to figure it out as I go along. I didn't even get any warm up in, man. Got some tight off cambers. Oh my goodness. And there's so many leaves on the ground right now. Can't see the stumps and stuff that I'm about to hit. Oh, that was tight. Honestly, I wonder if they really know where they're going. Dang, and with the dust in the sunlight, it's really hard to see the trail. I got the Electron jetted a teeny bit rich down low. If I'm lugging it too much, it loads up just a little bit. Gotta clear it out every once in a while. Dang, Jacob, dusted me out, boy. Jacob likes to say he's not a woods guy, but he's a professional motocross racer. He can ride pretty much anything, I'm sure. I wonder how much easier it is to ride in the woods on a bike like that. He's on the Stark electric bike. He looks like he's just messing around doubling things. That's awesome. Must be nice to have that much skill, you know? Dang. These trails are so flowy, and I have no idea where they go. And with the lighting the way it is, it's honestly pretty hard to see where I'm going. The lighting, the harsh contrast combined with the leaves covering all of the trails. I much prefer to ride trails on oh, almost went right for that tree. Couldn't make up my mind where I was gonna go. Ended up going right into the tree almost. I prefer riding trails on nice cloudy days, so there's not a ton of harsh contrasting light. Much easier to see where you're going. Oh! Hell yeah! These trails are so sick. Just gotta figure out where I'm going better. Maybe like if I did a couple laps and memorized these things, I'd be able to flow through here. Oh! Some of those trees are tight, man. And you really got to try your hardest on the trails to look so far ahead when you don't know where you're going. The only thing that's going to keep you on the trail at a decent pace, looking so far ahead. I know it probably sounds so stupid and like no duh, but I've never raced, so I gotta like engrave this stuff in my brain every time I ride. I'm so used to riding tracks that every time I come to ride trails, I gotta like re-engrave what I'm doing in my brain. Did I just jump onto the wrong trail? I guess it doesn't matter, they're both following. Oh! Oh yeah, we're going backwards. I've already done this part. I can't even imagine how good this 150 would be in the woods if I got the suspension set up for the woods. I got stiff motocross suspension on here, and the suspension is still feels pretty decent in the woods, and this thing handles good. If I could get just like a little bit more comfort out of it, this thing would be insane. Almost just ate it. I'm not gripping tight enough, leaning off the back of the bike. I swear, dude. I ditched it before I hit the tree. Oh man. Pro level stuff here, guys. See, this is why people watch my videos. They expect that shit to happen. That'll sting tomorrow. Alright, I could feel it. I could feel that crash coming. I was getting tired. I wasn't like balancing on the bike enough. I gotta pay more attention. Stop trying to keep up with Jacob in front of me. Just if I gotta slow down, I just gotta tell myself to slow down. Not try and keep up with the Joneses, you know. Well, it is hard for me to focus and look to see where I'm going and talk at the same time. Holy moly!
I guess we
I think the better route is to go this way. Try and follow the trail. Yes, sir. You got it. Yeah. Let's go, Griff. In situations like this where the light is really harsh and there's contrast and there's a lot of dust from the ride in front of you, do you guys run like a certain type of goggle? Do you run a tinted goggle versus a clear goggle? Running an Omega Hyper or something from 100%. It feels pretty good. The vision feels as good as it could be, I think. Almost decked those trees, dude. Come on, let's see you jump it. Oh, piece of cake. Got no sense of tight. It's honestly so difficult for me to see back here. I'd be very surprised if this GoPro video quality was good at all. It's got to be garbage. We've been back in the woods now for a hot minute. These trails go on forever, it feels like. Alright. Pick a rut, Derek. Oh, that was dumb. Commit to it. Oh, that's the corner that I ate crap on the way down. I struggled going up it, that deep rut. There we go, man. Oh, don't want to die at the very last second.